Hello, in this video I will demonstrate you the flow for our module, that is cloud storage sync. So how you will be able to sync your attachments and uploads of your cloud storage connections with your Odoo. So after installing our module you will be able to see this in your database. So you need to go in that and then configuration and cloud connection. So what you need to do is you need to create one connection for your cloud storage, like with which cloud storage connection you want to sync your Odoo database. So for in this video I will demonstrate you with the storage provider as Google Drive. So I have created the account for the Google Drive. The storage provider selected over here is Google Drive. Then you need to give one root folder name, like which folder to be created over there in your Google Drive once you are authenticating this connection. Then the proxy downloads. This option will help you to download the files from your Google Drive or from your Odoo dashboard of this file explorer. Then enable backward sync. So this is the schedule action that we have provided, like whichever uploads or renaming or uploading a new folder or any changes are done in your Google Drive will be synced over here in Odoo cloud storage connection module. Then active will show that this connection is active. Now after adding the Google API credentials, you just need to click on the button authenticate with Google. Then select the mail ID, continue. So once done, you will be able to see like Odoo has successfully linked to your Google Drive account. Then you can close the window and refresh the page, so you will be able to see that this connection is authenticated. Now as soon as you will authenticate the connection, if you go to your Google Drive, My Drive, then you will be able to see a root folder is automatically created over here named Odoo storage. Now what you need to do is like if you want to sync the attachments from Odoo to Google Drive or from Google Drive to Odoo, so you need to create some folder mapping rules for different models. So we have provided this option of creating the folder mapping rules. So as soon as you go in this menu, that is folder mapping rules, you will be able to see this button new, and you can create the folder mapping rules for different models. So this is something I have created for the accounting folder, like whichever attachments or the files which are added in your accounting model will be synced over there in your Google Drive. So what you need to do is you need to just give a name, that is accounting folder, or a rule name. Then you need to select the cloud connection, like this model rule is for which cloud connection. The attachment should be synced to which connection of your cloud storage, that is Google Drive. So I will select this option. Then here you need to select the Odoo model for which you are creating the rule. I am creating for account.move, so I have selected this model, that is journal entry model. Then you need to give the folder name expression. So what we have provided is like whichever model you have added over here, after creating the rule, if you are opening any record from this model, so automatically a folder will be created over there in your Google Drive as well. So what would be the name of that folder created in Google Drive? So you need to set the technical field name over here. So I have kept as object.name, that is the name of the record over here in Odoo model will be the same name for the folder over there in your Google Drive. Then this is the maximum name length you can set. Then this is the sequence, like when this rule will be implemented, so that sequence you can add. Like if you have multiple rules in your Odoo database, so which rule to implement when, so it will depend upon the sequence set over here. Then active will show that this rule is active. Then default subfolders, so you can create the subfolders as well inside the main folder, which will be created on opening the record. So I have added here two folders prior, but I will add one more, like journal entry. So these three folders will be automatically created for all of the records. Then we have provided the option of default template files, so you can select the files that you want to be uploaded by default whenever the folder is created on the opening of the record. So after adding all those changes, you just need to save this rule. So the rule is created. Now if I go to my accounting and open the record of any invoice, so opening the record of that model, that is journal entry, will give me this tab, that is cloud documents, because a rule is created for that model. Now if I go to that tab, that is cloud documents, so here you will be able to see that the subfolders are automatically created as I added over there, and the name of this main folder is based on object.name, that folder expression that I have added in the rule, and this default file has also been added automatically. The same thing you will be able to see over there in your Google Drive. Like if you go to Google Drive and the root folder that was created, that is Odoo storage, so whichever records you will open, those folders will be created. So as this record is opened over here, this invoice number, so if I go to Google Drive, so the same folder is created. Inside that the three subfolders are created, and the test file has also been uploaded by default. Now if I upload anything from here, so it is being uploaded, and as I told you, like we have provided the schedule action that will run, but I will go to cloud storage sync and operation and queue monitor. So here you will be able to see that it is in the pending status because it is being uploaded. So if you open and click on this button, that is force sync now, so it will manually run that schedule action, like it will not wait for the amount of time added in the schedule action to be uploaded. Once done, you can see it is completed. Now if I go to my Google Drive and refresh it, so here you will be able to see the file has been uploaded over here as well. Also, if I again go to the same record, that is the same invoice, and I upload anything from here, that is from the chatter, if I go to this tab, just a moment, now again I will go to this invoice, and I have uploaded this image from the chatter, not from this tab. So if you go again to the operations and queue monitor, so you will be able to see the same over here in the pending status. So you can just open it and click on force sync now if you want to do it one by one. So now if you go to your Google Drive, so you will be able to see that a banner has been added over here because we have run the schedule action manually. Now the next thing is, like under operation, in this queue monitor you will be able to see all of the pending or the successful uploads that are done. Then the next thing is secure portal share. So this is something which will give you a secure portal sharing link, and you will be able to sync you will be able to share your record with some specific user and set some access rights as well for that document or attachment. So if I click on new, I will give one name, that is invoice sharing. Then I need to select the cloud connection, Google Drive, and then I will be able to see all of the folders inside this Google Drive which are synced after the authentication. So I will select this folder, like this folder I want to share. Then from here I can select the portal partner, like if I want for only this partner to give the access, so I need to select the partner over here. Then the expiry date, so when I want this link to get expired, so I can set the date over here, like till this date the specific partner will be able to access the folder. Then I can give the access mode, like whether the partner can edit the folder or just read the folder. So we have provided two access mode, that is read only or read and write. So I'm giving the read only access mode to the partner. Then we have given this workspace permissions, like whether the partner will be able to search or filter the folders or download the files inside the folder, or the partner will be able to upload something in that folder whenever shared. After setting all this configuration, you just need to save. Then you will be able to see one share link over here, like the link will be generated automatically. You just need to click on copy link. Now I will open that link. So here you can see the access is denied because in my Odoo database I am logged in with another user, that is admin, and I haven't provided the access for that folder to admin. So what I will do is I will again go back to that portal sharing and I will remove the access for that partner, like it will be accessible to all, and then I will refresh it again. So now I will be able to see the same folder over here, like this is the root folder. Inside that there are 3 folders and all of the files. Then I will be able to download because I have enabled that option to allow downloads. So this way you can share the folders using this secure portal share option. In this option, that is sync audit logs, so you will be able to see all of the logs whenever the uploads of your file was successful or whenever it was failed. Then undergoing configurations in file tags, so here you will be able to create some tags, like if you are creating a new tag that is important, and just save. So whenever you are uploading the file, you will be able to give the tag to that specific file. Also this tags will be able to seen over here in File Explorer. Like when you go in this menu, you will be able to see all of the files and the folders that are created in your Google Drive. Like it is something, a type of dashboard that you can see over here in your Odoo. Here you will be able to see all of the folders and files for all of your cloud storage connections. Like currently I have selected all connections. So here you will be able to see for all of the connections. But if you want to see for the specific connection, so you can select it from here. That is, I want to see only for the Google Drive. So this is something that you will be able to see for Google Drive. Like this is the root repository. That is the Odoo storage folder which is created over there in your Google Drive. Then the 2 folders that are created because I have opened that records. Inside that 2 subfolders are created automatically. So all of these things will be seen over here in your File Explorer option. Then here we have provided the option of refreshing, like if you are uploading anything in your Google Drive and then you want to refresh it, so here you will be able to see the same. Let me show it to you. Like if I am in this folder and I'm uploading a file, I have uploaded the file from Google Drive. Now I will go back, and as I told you, like it is a schedule action, so I need to run it manually. Like this is the schedule action for backward sync, like it runs every 15 minutes. So instead of waiting for 15 minutes, I will run manually. So whichever the files or the changes are made in your Google Drive will be seen over here in your Odoo cloud storage connection. It is done. Now if I go to cloud storage and the file explorer menu and open the folder, so here you can see the icon which I uploaded over there in Google Drive has been uploaded over here as well. Then the same tags are available over here which you have created from the tags option, and if you right click on this file which you have attached, so we have provided the option of downloading the file from here. Then you can manage the tags, like you can give some specific tags to the file. Then you can open the same file in Google Drive. Like if I click on this option, so I will be redirected to Google Drive, and the same option, I mean the same file, will be seen in my Google Drive. Then you can delete the file from here as well. Similarly for the folders, like if you right click on the folder, then we have provided the option of creating a subfolder inside it. Then you can open the same folder in your Google Drive from here. So the folder will be opened and you will be redirected in Google Drive. Then open the linked record, like it will open the record which is linked to this folder in your Odoo. Then edit settings, so you can edit the settings from here. Like if you want to change anything from here, then you can change it, and then you can add the allowed groups like security and access controls, like this folder should be accessible to which groups or which users, and then you can just save and the changes will be implemented. Download zip file, so this will help you to download the zip file of this folder, and similarly you can delete the folder as well from here. Then if you go to this folder, and you can see there are multiple files, so you can select the files from here, and we have provided the option over here as well, like you can download the zip file of the selected files, or you can click on this button, like if you want to move these files to any other folder. So we have provided the option of this, like you need to select the destination folder, and then you just need to click, like if I'm selecting this folder and clicking on move files, so you will be able to see this notification like files reattached successfully, and from this folder the files are being moved to this folder. Now going to the configuration back, if I open this configuration, so here we have provided two buttons, that is reversal sync and pause sync. So currently your sync is going on, like the schedule action runs every 15 minutes or whatever time you have set, and the sync is on the continue basis, like whichever changes you are making in your Odoo cloud connection or in your Google Drive, so it will automatically sync according to the schedule action. But if you click on pause sync, so the connection will be paused, and like if you are making any changes now, so it won't be uploaded or it won't be updated in your Google Drive or in your Odoo. Now again if you click on resume sync, so again the sync will be started. Similarly the reversal sync, so the use of this button is to just update the attachments or any other changes from your cloud connection storage, that is from your Google Drive to your Odoo. Also, if you click on this button, that is reversal sync. So now if you want the entire data from your cloud connection, that is from your Google Drive, to be seen over here in Odoo, so that you can do using this reversal sync. So here you just need to select the cloud connection from which you want your data to be fetched over here, then in which folder you want over here, like in accounting folder or in the folder mapping rules which you have created, so that you can select. So all of the data from your Google Drive will be synced over here in the folder selected. And then you have two options, like restore and delete from cloud or restore and keep copy in cloud. So if you select the first option, so it will just restore all of your data from your Google Drive, and it it will be seen over here in Odoo, but it will be deleted from your Google Drive. And the second option will be, it will restore it over here in Odoo, and it will just keep a copy in your cloud storage as well. Then once you click on start reversal sync, so all of the data from your Google Drive will be synced over here in the selected folder. Then the last thing is, like if you go to the folder mapping rules, and currently as I showed you in the video, like this accounting folder and this rule for the Odoo model, that is journal entry, was something for Google Drive. But from here now, if I am changing it to Dropbox and trying to save it, so it is something related to a migration of the data. So if I want like all of my data to be migrated from Google Drive to Dropbox, so I just need to change the cloud connection in the rule created. After changing it, if I click on migrate or reattach files, so all of my files will be moved from my Google Drive to my Dropbox cloud storage connection. So this was the entire flow or the functionality of our module cloud storage sync related to Google Drive, like how you can sync your attachments and files from your Google Drive cloud storage connection to your Odoo. Thank you.